Fuck, it's so cold.
Forgive me for my sins. Take the mask off all my enemies that's out here acting like my friends. Did some shit I'm praying I never gotta do again. I put blood, sweat, and tears inside this wind. If I take care of my hood, the prosecutor call me Gotti. Turn my back on the hood, they probably kill me, probably rob me. It's a catch-22, I'm being honest. Hard work trying to keep the past behind me. I still be having flashbacks about Johnny. Fast forward and a major label signed me. Had to hustle, had to focus, perseverance. Mama used to go to TJ Maxx and shop on clearance. Tay-Man and CJ, I could still feel they spears. Skinny and one used to rap, I know they hear it. It ain't that easy, putting pain inside a lyric. Send this up to heaven so they can clear it.
Understeer.
I know, like,
come on.
real street niggas gon' feel this shit.
Points there.
I don't want niggas to get misunderstood. Cause the rules we live by don't even matter no more. Just a setback for you to come back. You can't hold a nigga down forever. You know what I'm saying? Till then, you gon' hold this shit down.